What is going on with these THC drinks? That is a question that you might be asking yourself if you are learning about these for the first time. We are officially drinking cannabis now. Hi, my name's Leigh Gall with the Enlightened Buzz, and I have been selling and educating on these THC beverages for the last 2 years, and I'm here to quickly tell you everything that you need to know to get started. Number one is know that these drinks are federally legal under the 2018 Farm Bill, and that's because the THC that's inside these drinks is derived from the hemp plant, which is federally legal. There's also THC derived from the marijuana plant, which is only legal in certain states. They are both considered cannabis. However, it's also important to know that each state has their own rules and regulations, so it's also important to notice what is happening at a local level. Number two is that we use milligrams to denote the strength. So we're all very accustomed to alcohol and using ABV or alcohol by volume, but with these drinks, we're using milligrams. And it's so important for you to read the labels so that you understand how many milligrams are in an intended serving and or container. So you might have a can that's 5 milligrams for the whole thing, or you could have a spirit bottle that has 20 servings of 10 milligrams each. So you have 200 milligrams over here. So it's so important for you to read the labels so that you know how much you're consuming. Number three is to start low and go slow. I use this as my own personal motto, and I encourage everyone to do it when they're trying these drinks for the first time, despite your cannabis use history. And that's because drinks can impact you differently than other consumption methods. And so when I say low and slow, I mean kind of around a 2 to 4 milligram range, and then drink some, wait 10, 15 minutes, see how you feel, and then decide if you want to drink more. I also still use this rule when I'm trying new brands because I've noticed that different companies use different THC emulsions that impact me at different times. So I like to kind of see where I'm at with that particular drink, and then I know for the future. So those are my top 3 points, except you might still have a few more questions that I want to be sure to answer, which is one, if you get drug tested, this will still show up positive for having consumed THC. It does not matter if it's from the hemp plant or the marijuana plant. THC is THC. So know that before you consume. Number two is that you must be 21 and up with a valid ID to purchase and consume these products. And last, number three, please don't drive or operate heavy machinery while under the influence of these drinks. Well, that wraps up what you need to know about THC drinks before you get started. My name is Leigh Gall with the Enlightened Buzz, and I hope you found that video valuable. If so, be sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel because I've got a lot more videos that go more in depth to questions you might still have, and I've got more videos coming. So if you have any questions, please be sure to put them in the comments and I will get back to you or maybe even make a video about it in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.